going on? So we're back in the shop working on the bike. I'm going to do just a few things today. I'm going to replace the clutch cable, the throttle cable, which it's got a push and pull cable, which I think is pretty typical for most bikes these days. And then I'm going to replace my clutch lever. Maybe I'll get to more, but for now that's all the parts I've grabbed, and we'll see how it goes, so stay tuned. Ooh, I got lucky. Stripped that screw, but I was able to get it out. Okay, so I got the new kill switch control on. We're just going to make sure I didn't mess anything up and that it actually still starts. There's probably like no gas in the carbs though, so if it does fire up, it will be for just a second, but that's all we need. Okay. I think we can assume the kill switch is working. Yeah, I just don't think there's enough gas to fire up, but we're going to assume that's working just fine. If you're wondering why I didn't show the process of me replacing the push and pull throttle cables, it's because my camera died. I didn't feel like waiting for the battery to charge, so I just did that off camera. But now we're going to replace my clutch cable and clutch lever. Still pretty proud of how we MacGyvered my clutch lever back on after I crashed. I probably drove it 10 to 15 miles with this janky attached clutch lever. Alright you guys, that's going to do it for today. Unfortunately I wasn't able to replace the left handlebar control switch. I'm just still waiting on that part from the Honda dealership, so I'll have to wait on that. But I got the new clutch lever, the clutch cable, the throttle cables, and I got the right handlebar control switch installed. So felt like a productive day. Still a lot more to do on this bike, so stay tuned for the rest of this rebuild. Cheers guys.